Hi, this is Smita Dev and welcome to Get Curried. The monsoons are a perfect season to have a spicy chicken curry. You can have it along with a bread or you can have it along with rice, anything of your choice. But first, let's make the chicken curry. So for the chicken curry, we'll marinate the chicken first. I have got a kg of chicken. I'm going to add a tablespoon of ginger paste, a tablespoon of garlic paste, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a tablespoon of red chili powder and some salt. I'm going to mix this well and I'm going to leave it for about half an hour. So I've mixed this well. We're going to let it be for 30 minutes and now we'll make the garam masala powder. So I'm going to dry roast a few spices here. I've got an inch of cinnamon, I've got a tablespoon of sesame seeds, 5 cloves, 10 peppercorns. I'm going to take a tablespoon of cumin seeds as well, 6 red dry chilies, a tablespoon of coriander seeds. Roast these spices on a low flame till all the fragrance is released. The spices have roasted well and they've released an amazing aroma. I'm going to shut the flame and I'm just going to cool this. Now these roasted spices I'm going to grind with a cup of freshly grated coconut. So in goes the coconut and the spices as well. Now let's grind this to a nice fine paste. You will need to add a little water to this. I've ground this to a nice fine paste and now let's head on with the curry. I'm going to heat 5 tablespoons of oil. The oil is almost hot. I'm going to add 1 onion that is finely chopped and I'm going to fry this till it's nice and translucent. The onions have been fried soft and translucent. I'm going to add 2 bay leaves. I'm going to add 5 spicy green chilies. You can take green chilies that are easily locally available in your area. But since we are making this curry nice and spicy, I've taken the spicy variety. Now let's add the ground coconut paste. And let's saute this till the oil separates. You can see that the oil has separated. Now let's add the marinated chicken and fry it again for 5 minutes. So I'm going to sear this chicken on a high flame so all the juices are trapped inside, and then when we are cooking the chicken I'm going to put it on a low flame so that the chicken cooks in its own juices and the dish turns out really nice. I'm going to add water to this, 1 liter to 1.5 liters, because I want a nice thin gravy. We've already added the salt, so there's no need to add salt anymore. So I'm going to cover this and cook for 10 minutes till the chicken is done. It's been more than 10 minutes. Now let's check if the chicken is ready. Yeah, it's done. Now let's remove it in a serving bowl. The aroma of the chicken curry is really inviting. The chicken curry can be eaten with a nice bowl of steamed rice, or it can be had with a bhakri or a pav, anything that you would like. For such spicy recipes, keep watching Get Curried.